What's up, guys? Welcome back to Self Rebuild. Big surprise, new car. This is a 2018 Ford Fiesta, so we're trying to do something good, quick. Yeah, I'll try to fix it quick as possible. Yeah, so stay tuned for the videos and I'll see you later. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. So that's the car here. So we try to fix that car, something little quick. Okay, that's a little project for a friend of mine, so I'm trying to help him and fix this car out as soon as possible. It's all rusty here. This thing is smashed really bad, but we will try to figure out and find a solution as soon as possible. Okay, so yeah, that's a 2018 Fiesta. It's small, so yeah, so that's the car here. So far this part is not a big deal. Just gonna try to pull this one out. I don't care about all this dent. Okay, I already have all the part I need. I will need to order those mirror components for the door. I already have it, so that's not a big deal. So I can fix that out a little quick. And then yeah, this tire need to be replaced, so tomorrow I will take it to the right place to take care of that. Yeah, basically I think I got everything. Let's pop the hood. It have a low mileage, so hopefully everything's look nice and clean. So that's the car here. Nice engine, but the battery look terrible. Yeah, fix the tab, that's an easy thing. The interior is nasty. I see some dog hair in it. Yeah, it's a smoker car, so when they have the accident, everything went left and right. All the airbag was out. But like I'm saying, that's not really what I'm worried about. So yeah, so that's the car here. Oh, let me check the seat belt. This one is okay. So all the seat belts are okay. So yeah, I know what need to be replaced. I will need to clean and vacuum this car properly. Yeah, so basically that's it. Basically that's it. So that's the deal here. That's a nice looking car. It's a nice small car. So yeah, so I'm here at my friend's house. I've been going from place to place. So yeah, so just gonna remove this one first. We remove this one first, and then I really want to fix the bumper. So for me, the bumper look all right. There's no major issue with the bumper, so I'm probably going to reuse the bumper. But I have a bumper here already. But in the meantime, I will reuse the bumper. So yeah, so that's the deal. The engine look good. I will have to check under it if there's nothing wrong, frame damage. So, but in the meantime, let's replace the fender, the bumper, the door, and everything. So now I'll put some time lapse. Let's go. of truth. Whew. Right, so I'll remove all the bolt. These things will need to be replaced. The overhead fender is already out. So the only thing I need to do is to pull this one out and pull this one and remove the door. So I think that's all I need to do. So let's go back to the video. Oh.
I've been having exams all week. How did you let out the word? Were you working on campus?
You know, here you have no friend, you're not talking to nobody, so that's how I develop that skill, watching TV. Get busy. So what else you gonna do?
And then you were doing it yourself.
Huh?
You became so good at it.
Oh yeah. Back in the day was cooking. So I did the same with cooking.
Yeah.
And when I was tired of cooking, I started with this one. So I don't know what's gonna do the next.
Right.
It's just to get busy. Okay, all right guys, we went through a couple of issues. So the battery need to be replaced, that's for sure. Now the problem we have here, I need to tap this one down, and then I need to pull those one out. That's basically what's going to slow me down. Yeah, other than that, everything is okay. And I will need to order those one. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Yeah, and this one, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I need to figure that out. So, yes, I'm just going to put the bumper out in temporary. I'll put the over fender temporary, but everything else we're gonna have to come back and work on it again, because I don't have everything. So I'm just going to put everything temporary. All right, so start raining here, so I will have to stop here. Yeah, so I have new surprise that I need to take care of, and I will come back to work on it. So I know everything I need. It's gonna take some time, but I will do my best to complete everything. All right, I will do my best to complete everything. So yeah, okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Self Rebuild. So it was supposed to be a 2-day build, but it's probably gonna take a week, 2 weeks, I don't know. But I know everything that need to be purchased, so I will do my best to do everything quick as possible. Okay, thank you for watching and stay tuned. Peace.